families and friends, and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you all for your love and support always by commenting, subscribing and viewing my videos. Before we start, I want to quickly make an announcement. In the description box below there is a link. I have a Google form. If you don't mind, I would really appreciate your help by filling in a little short survey. That will help me improve the channel. So there's only about 3 or 4 questions, but for you doing that I would really appreciate, and it will give me ideas on how to improve the channel with the cooking and everything. So yes, please, if you don't mind, and if you have a spare minute or 2, please go ahead and click on the link below and just go through the questions. Thank you so much from Mills and family for all that you do to support my new channel. Tonight's menu, I will be making grilled salmon fish with a green and orange salad. Let's start cooking. I have 3 large pieces of salmon in my baking tray. I'm going to marinate with this special marinade sauce, which is Mamasita's marinating sauce. I'm not going to add anything else because this is full of flavoring. It has raw garlic in it and all the different flavors. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup to our salmon. I will then go ahead and massage our marinade sauce into our salmon fish. Again, I've cleaned and pat dry the salmon fish already. I will marinate it for about 15 minutes and then we will come back and cook our fish. In the meantime, I'll start preparing our salad. We'll start with preparing the dressing for our green salad. I will add vinegar to the olive oil, sugar, orange juice, the pure orange juice from the oranges I squeezed, and then our mustard. Don't forget, I have all the ingredients, the measurements in the description box below, so please check it out everyone. Let's give our marinade sauce a good stir. No, I should say this is our dressing, not marinade. I'm sorry everyone. Sometimes when I cook, my mind is going to my cooking that I end up saying the wrong words, but I'm pretty sure you understand what I mean. So this is our dressing I'm mixing for the salad. Put that aside for now. I'll go ahead and peel our oranges. Cut our lettuce. Thoroughly wash our lettuce, drain them well, and then we'll sample our salad. I've also got some normal cheddar cheese. I've cut it in little cube or little pieces, small pieces I should say. Because I don't have cottage cheese or feta cheese, I am going ahead with whatever cheese I have available. Feel free to add any cheese of your choice to this salad. Okay, our lettuce have been washed thoroughly and I have drained off the water as well. Let's go ahead and add our cheese. You can add some now and add the rest later. Our oranges. Add the rest of our cheese and the rest of the oranges. I won't add the dressing now. I will leave it in the fridge until we're ready to eat. Then everyone will be serving their own salad and the dressing when they're ready to serve. I'll just cover that and put it in the fridge for now, and we'll get on with cooking our fish. pretty green and orange, and a bit of cheese. Okay, so put this in the fridge. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, then I'll add our fish. So right now I'm just going to add 30 grams of butter to the pan. Just giving a nice flavor to the fish. That's the color I'm after. I'm going to transfer our fish back into the baking dish, and we'll let it sit there before we serve. Okay. That's what I'm after. That's exactly the color I wanted. Add some cilantro here to our butter sauce that's in the frying pan, and a touch of probably 1 tablespoon of marinade sauce. I will also add a tablespoon of the sesame oil. Okay, and that's it. We are done. I guess I used the wrong words to explain how I cook this fish. It's not really grilling, it's more like a lightly pan fry salmon fish. So sorry about that, everyone. Okay, so I'll just drizzle that sauce on top of the salmon fish for now. Go ahead and sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds. Dish some of that salad onto our plate. Okay, and I'll drizzle some of that dressing onto the salad. Okay everyone, this is our salmon and green orange salad. Okay, let me say prayer first. I like the salad. Got a nice combination of orange, cheese, and the tangy taste from the vinegar. It's not too strong, but it's just perfect, and the sweetness from the orange balances out. I hope I'm using the right words. The sweetness and the tangy taste from the vinegar, it will well combine with the orange. I'm gonna have the salad with the salmon. Yeah. must say this is also nice. That marinade for the salmon, it tastes really nice. That's our cooking tonight. Thank you for tuning in and cooking with Mills. As always, I'm always excited to share the way I cook our family meals. Please remember that I am not a chef, a professional chef. I'm only sharing how I cook the meals for my family, and hopefully it will help someone out there. That will bring so much satisfaction to me, knowing that some of my subscribers are trying and enjoying the recipes that I'm sharing. So thank you very much, and please take care. I will catch up with you in the next episode. Love you all and God bless. One more thing, please, it will really help if you click that like button. If you like any of my recipes, please click the like button and subscribe and share it with your families and friends. Bye for now.